Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. My name is Sonam and today we'll unbox the Fab Bag March 2019 edition and I will share a very honest review with all. As you all know, it's priced at Rs 5.99 including shipping. So let's get started. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the box has reached me. So this is how the pouch looks this month. It's definitely pretty. I'm definitely happy with it. It's a small size, but it's definitely good looking in a nice peach color. It has a nice pearly shine to it, and the front has this cutout design on it. So happy with this. Let's start with the makeup. We have got two products. One is an eyeliner and another is a mascara, and just look at the brands, guys. One is from Half and Half and another from Matte Look. I've got these exact products in very affordable boxes, and these are not the brands that I would expect in Fab Bag. I am super disappointed with both of these. This one here is the Half and Half jet black waterproof, catch your eyes, 24 hours waterproof, whatever. It's a eyeliner basically. And here are more details about the product. I don't say that it's really bad in quality or anything. The price is 195 mentioned here, but you will find these in local markets for even cheaper. And the thing is, we get it in subscription boxes worth 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 300 rupees. We get these brands and these exact products. Then why should we spend double that price for Fab Bag? And the same goes for this one. I have got this exact mascara, I think in Euphoria box earlier, and that time it was around 199 rupees including shipping. So can you imagine getting this in Fab Bag? I am so not happy with this. Here are more details. You can see this. It's a decent mascara, but the brands are not up to the mark for this price tag. The last makeup product we have is this nail polish 9.5 ml from the brand Sage Cosmetic. It's a new brand, so I'm not very sure how it will be. And they have sent this white shade to everyone. This can be used as a base coat. So yeah, this is a decent product. I think most people will like it. I'm not a fan of wearing white nail paints. I'll use it as a base coat, and so I'm happy with that. I don't have any complaints there. Now moving to the skincare, this is what we have got. It's a Vatika enriched coconut hair oil. I mean, this is such a drugstore brand that Fab Bag is promoting nowadays. It's 150 ml product worth 84 rupees, and most of us have already used such brands, and there's nothing like you're discovering something new. You're getting something good to try through a subscription box. That's the entire concept of a subscription box. Then I don't understand why we are getting this a Dabur Vatika product in a Fab Bag. It's not expensive. Everybody can buy it from the market. It's locally and easily available, and there's nothing new in this. So again, I'm not happy here. Then next we have a decent brand, this Global Beauty Secrets, a good brand I would say, but we have only got samples here. So we have got this charcoal face mask and body moisturizer. So it comes in a box like this, but this is all that you get. So one is a mask and one is a moisturizer, and they are 10 ml each. So even though this is a decent, or I would say good product up to the standards of Fab Bag, it's just a set of samples. Like, I'm okay with getting samples, but then all of these could have been good samples like these with a couple of full-size products, but that is not happening here. And finally we have got this one. It's not even a product. I won't call it a product. It's a cleansing charcoal nose strip, a single strip worth probably 20-30 rupees. So that's all we have in the Fab Bag March 2019 edition, guys. I don't like any product. There is no star product. There is no product for which I would buy such a bag, or this bag in particular. I'm stuck with a long-term subscription. My money is getting wasted every month. Even last month I was disappointed, but this month it's even worse. Like, I tagged my last month Fab Bag as the worst Fab Bag, but it now seems better than this month, guys. It's so bad. I'm highly disappointed. I do not look for quantity when it comes to Fab Bag. There are so many subscription boxes giving 5, 6, 7 products at a price tag of 100, 200, even lesser than 100 maybe. When it comes to Fab Bag, I am okay to receive 3, 4, or 5 products, but they should be good quality products, good brands, and something that will actually help me discover new brands or new products that are good so that I can buy them later on. Or if it's a full size, I would love to use it for a longer time. But these can't even say are worth half the price I have paid for a bag. So I'm not going to recommend this to any of you guys. If you trust my opinion, don't order this bag. You should rather buy some of those affordable subscription boxes for 200, 300 rupees. They'll also give you these brands if you're okay with these brands, and you can get 2 or 3 bags in the price of a Fab bag. And if you're looking for better brands, you should buy some other subscription boxes around this price range. I have so many options on my channel. You can go through them and order something that I recommend, or something that's good and value for money. This is not at all value for money. This is a complete waste of money. I'm getting this Fab bag and reviewing it is like taking one bullet for this entire YouTube family of ours, so that I can actually see what all is there. And even if it is really bad, it's only me losing the money, and I can tell you guys to stop wasting your money, and I can recommend you the right subscription boxes for this month. This is definitely not one. Like always, they have sent this in my Fab Bag contest card. They are giving this Nelfuse HD foundation, and this is the info card with all the pricing details mentioned. I don't know what to say. They have mentioned the nail polish is 700 rupees because there was nothing which was of higher value. All of these brands are so affordable, so they have just hiked the price of the nail lacquer. It's nothing great, it's just a white nail polish. I won't even wear it as a nail paint, I'll just use it as a base coat, probably. That also I'm not sure. So yeah, that's all you get. If you're still interested in getting it, then it's up to you. You can order it from fabbag.com. I'll have the link in the description box below. If you like my honest reviews, then please do subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. Do let me know your opinion about this month's Fab bag. I would be happy to discuss it. So that's all for today. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.